Okay, it's May the 17th and the time is about 5. Actually, the time is 4:58. And the reason for shooting this video is because I have reached a milestone today. Some of you may laugh, but it's what it is. I hit the mark. I have 50 subscribers right there. So it feels good because I started from 0 and now I have 50. And hopefully I'm gonna continue building on this. If you're watching this video, please click the button below, subscribe, and help me build up to at least 2,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for everyone who have subscribed to my channel. So I wanted to thank everybody who click on the subscription button, because now, as you have seen, I have reached 50 subscribers. And I know some people will be laughing and say, oh, ha, 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 50 is not much. But for me, it means a lot. So thank you to everyone who have clicked the subscription button. And I hope you're watching right now, you're going to do the same. Help me build up my subscribers so that I can get at least 2,000 subscriptions. So thank you so much. And hopefully you're having a good day or night, whatever time of day you're watching, or night. Outside it's raining today, but I'm not going to show you that because this is for thanking everyone who have clicked the button to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And here again, you see, there it is. Let's make this number to be 5,000. All right. Thank you so much and peace out.